Assalamualaikum. My name is Haikal basically, and I will present about power plant, which is wind turbine. Okay, first is what is a wind turbine. Wind turbine is a machine that converts kinetic energy from the wind into electricity. The blade turns between 13 and 20 revolutions per minute, depending on the technology at a constant or variable velocity. With turbine construction can be seen as this. The blade consists of blade, spinner, and rotor hub. Meanwhile, at the base of it is connected with the main shaft, main gearbox, generator, and then meteorological sensor, and then the last one is tower pillar. Wind turbine working operation is first the wind turbine will generate energy, then it will be the energy that have been turned from the wind to the electrical energy will go to the substation at the offshore, and then it will go to the substation in the onshore, and then it will connect to the control station, then will be distributed by transmission, and then it will distribute to the load or home or any other applications. Wind turbine inside working operation can be simple as this, which is first the wind the wind will blow up and will generate the rotor, and then the kinetic energy that have been turned on into the electrical energy will go to the gearbox. Then the generator will go to the generator, then the transformer, and then the grid to the and then will be go to the substations. The advantages of the wind turbine is first is a renewable resources. Wind is a renewable resource that won't deplete as long as the earth rotates. Then the wind power generator produces electricity without emitting greenhouse gases or air pollutants. Then once a wind turbine is installed, the operational and maintenance costs are relatively low compared to the installation price cost. Then it easy to adapt to the surrounding. They can be placed at a remote location such as the deserts, ocean, and mountain without disruption agricultural activities. The disadvantages of the wind turbine is a danger to the flying animals. Any unsuspected animal will collide with the wind turbine and may die. Then the limited location wind power is limited by location. Wind power can only be we need a very high wind power in order to use wind turbine as a electric energy. So the only places maybe in the desert or maybe in the ocean or maybe in a very undecided places. Then the noise pollution that are produced by a wind turbine are very high. It may cause noise pollution to the surrounding area. So it's a better choice to make it at the where the human doesn't live. And then the last one is the installation cost. The installation cost of the wind turbine is very high, but compared to the maintenance is very low. So it's only a high price when we have to install it only. Alright, this is the list of power plant around the globe, which is one Middelgrund Wind Farm in Denmark, Jukon Wind Power Base in China, and the last one is the Alta Wind Energy Center at United States. Note that all of these wind turbine consist of very unpopulated places like at Denmark is on the ocean, and Jikwan Power Base China, and at the United States it is in desert because as I said earlier, the wind turbine produce a very high noise pollution, so it's better for human than to live around it. So in conclusion, wind turbine is a good renewable energy and environmental friendly sources that have a lot of benefit with little negative impact to the society. Since it is a renewable energy, we can continue to generate it until we die. Then is the reference for my work. As you can see, the S4. Right, now we go to the last slide. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for every mistake from the first day until now. Thank you for everything. It's an honor to learn with you. I hope we will meet again one day. Thank you, madam.